Right, so ceist ever an nui. So additional liw te. Right, so rhys di togain, so da x luja hyn is gan x plus da ni smona codrumla hyn. Okay, now rhys niel x codrumla luja da. So rhys you to da x luja hyn midi fa x plus da ni smona codrumla x plus da carni. Okay, so rhys you to da x carni plus care x luja da ni smona codrumla x carni plus care x plus care. And what could you t1 you to x carni plus 3 minus care so minus x luja da luja she ni smona codrumla yemni. And okay lasha. Like so rhys we factorize. So x for x da for 3 minus x plus x codrumla luja da x codrumla 3. Like so rhys gender graph luja da could 3 just a rough graph agus an sin gender screw do x codrumla yemni so to mid lock and punch Sean Shaw x codrumla yemni agus rhys to yemni carni he luja yemni luja she ni smona codrumla yemni well luja she ni smona codrumla yemni to shin brega. So that means niel 0 mar part and frigre so to mid call it balashin agus to mid call it balashin and shin. Now ni higla x of it codrumla luja da so just scream is called x ni slu na luja da but not equals. Agus canale to x ni smo na codrumla keher or 3 go on 3 agus shin the frigre and the okay lasha. So race breast rate we say yeah breast rate forward. Right, so here do the little major na modulus. Okay, so modulus. Now, the calculator te modulus function the calculator rod the hermage ABS. Okay, so my going to the calculator my hanse he etnyart. My backpack, no ni here so my phone. Naki then my calculator option chat. Right. So the calculator we should like out the trap ABS yeah. Yeah. I see yen cha. Corisha sus ye lini gira agus he got ever her sha. Now corisha quick is just a brackets brew equals. Right? You to quick. Now go rationus corisha minus quick. Agus could you to quick. G engine shendu. No minuses. Absolute value shall cost a toast spot. You can't have a negative distance. So you can do so there's a new modulus the rod to be have goni golove jarifa positive. Right? Now the shinavinu. Right? Our graph so mahashma then you off goal y just malakmi graph would be for example, right? So race just Jeremy Gomez get a graph behind the y cosmla Jeremy modulus the x just modulus the x. So just get a graph behind the modulus the x. Okay? Now race Mohammed in your shen aber o luja 3 go g3. So we get a range luja 3 and you slew in the cosmla x and you slew in the cosmla 3. Okay? This we got a hind graph to show. Okay, so race agus race to me just call o luja 3 hin da agus 3 hin da agus 3. So to me call luja 3 luja da luja hin da agus 3 agus race to me just get the graph behind the shot. Now the race came the yen with chat. Race to me just call hold Swiss hin da 3 agus keher hin da 3 agus keher agus she's luja hin luja da. So let me get a graph behind the shot. So the table function, right? And mode 3 table. Now corrisha absolute the x. So alpha x just let's say blue equals tashi luja 3 cleany 3 steps of 1. I guess we send it to figure. So absolute value the minus 3 u to 3. I guess the raised minus da u to da minus hin u to hin. 0 you to 0 and then me to she's good in radiella you to heen dog is 3. So you to heen you to da agus you to 3. So Rudaton, making this here graph the absolute function how going to go in the V shape. So you have to go in a V shape graph. Okay, I guess in the function y. It's the case shown. Okay, which the coordinate absolute value to x. Okay, we'll land a new here. Mention here. Now, Rudaton na Ari properties. So Ari are properties the absolute value. Test going mate absolute value to x coordinate a. Then test going equal x golve coordinate a. No to x golve coordinate luigi a. Agus raised to shin tawarta. So raised highlight. Highlight as into tawarta. Okay. Ulan in your heel as okay. Agus do here in the image in the graphs. So raised image touch image image property shin property of the heen Ari ever do with absolute value the x coordinate absolute value the y. Then to x golve coordinate y agus faster to x golve coordinate luigi y. So shin all the cell and shin. So shin the darn the property. So Ari ever heen agus show Ari ever do. Agus raised punchy all this at a tawarta. Okay, so the shin tawarta left on your honor. Okay. Agus the ken jarna Ari ever 3. So just poking my short this. Ari ever 3 to modulus the x carny here. Golve coordinate x. Carny here. So Roddy Harlan shall more square into modulus you to reach it down. Absolute sign. Okay. Agus shin it 3 here. So then 3 punch all this in tawarta. Now we're going to go now to make go la modulus. Okay. Right. So do is first in this la har freedom the property shot not just Tasha's grind kissni yen. So raised mahashmid in us la kissed ever Tashmid la kissed program shashis kuji kissed ever heen so cart sharp punchy keher kissed ever heen. Okay, so sharp punchy kissed ever heen. Now solve the equation. Now raised to x plus keher coordinate 3. Agus do it by solving by sketching a graph. Okay. Now raised can they sketch them in your graph so raised just a die here in the rummage graph when you shot. So raised sketch our graph. So time shot the graph. Race go g luigi 3, so heen da 3, better luigi keher because the x coordinate 3 in shot. Heen da 3 agus keher. So right with you minus keher, minus 3, minus da, minus heen, nyamni heen da 3 agus keher. Now, race, well, come you got new within your time graphs, right? And you got these bombs here. Now, within your time graphs, cost like y equals x, we shall the lean gira. J Harlan shin Mohammed L x. Walk with left no. Right. So with this is some with Kerla x when my buggy left and right. My buggy left. So to actually call G Luigi Keher and Shaw. Okay? So we're going to handcraft just the x plus Keher. So reached right to non G Luigi Keher. I guess right to stress Christa Heen x coordinate correction agus upper or the function calculator. Right? So the calculator, when we back to g f of x, correct the absolute value, correct alpha x plus k. Agus raised Tashi ag glúide céir go dtí céir. Steps of 1. Now reached ag glúide céir to mid fáil 0. Ag glúide 3 to mid fáil 1. So reached caiim seo warcail se. 1, 2, 3, céir agus 5. Okay, now more than likely be going to hold non couple of punch and shot then graph shot creanu because from jam go with boggy to the left by 4. Right? So reached Luigi céir le 1. You might punch a chin. Luigi da le da. So reached us go da. You to punch and shot. Luigi 1 le 3. And shot. Nimni le céir agus 1 le 5 and so on. Okay, now to the goal quick she shart agus art, you'll fay art in the horse as the graph. So race to the just harnt lína gira. Free céir agus siútain lína gira. Now obviously caiimid a tíwa líanu, so caiimid hall sus a balance and faster. So this is just golvin rod kerne. Just the opposite. So race go on 1, 2, 3, hopefully to spice go. Luigi quick, Luigi she agus Luigi shart. Agus tarn lína gira sus. So you to Luigi quick le 1. So just toast us 1 agus race tarnish at the graph. Okay, agus you know to the graph called costless. So it's a V-shaped, goni V-shaped graph. Now, can I solve the equation short? So in the graph to x plus k. Can we just say y cosmla 3. So shin just lína gira ag 3. So just could have said lína gira ag 3, gira trasne ag 3. Okay, so shin y cosmla 3. Shin y cosmla x plus k a graph ella. So just go and label other graphs. I guess just commission robog ní switches so. Now, how can a graph showing us? Okay, call x plus k cosmla 3. Mohammed graph y cosmla graph ella listen that you will point of contact. So the point of contact go away ag punch showing show. So race must agente so be sé glúide 1. So race tarn lína gira sísan sin. Agus the much agente mar sceart agum se which I bolu ag glúide. So to go non 1.3 so on he be sé bolu glúide shart. Much just rub off and sin. So sin glúide shart and sin. Be sé bolu glúide shart. So frigere to x cosmla glúide shart no x cosmla glúide 1.
Gils go crualu 3 in yobni so mai shaba kaini 3 kid about ella convergence.
Now, we're on the new occasion. Now, can they use algebra? So, the algebra, how can you use? To start it, so how can inequality show the first property? With the x cosmla a. So, test something is called modulus the x plus k cosmla 3. So, obviously, the x plus k galway cosmla 3. No, the x plus k galway cosmla lugit 3. And then you okay, Lasha. Because what the shock cosmla lugit 3, j modulus the lugit 3. 3. So you get this, so shouldn't take English with 3, no lugit 3. So raised x cosmla 3 lugit k x cosmla lugit 1. I guess we should know going. I guess raised x cosmla lugit 3 lugit k x cosmla lugit shart. Okay, listen. Yeah. Right, kiss the door, Janton door here. Now, she add the door in and us. Okay, tile get in, kiss over the door. Still play the guitar, Sinead? Huh? That's good. Oh, just why am I going to specialty again, like? Huh? Why must we go to just specialty go to that the practice machine? talent for some of it, can you look? That's like me to 3 arena, Mohanjo. Huh? Right, I'm okay, let's touch it at all. No. Oh, yes, to the cart, yeah. So, reached Ligartan to the goal of 3, so be able to hold 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go. So, Tashi, no, do any of the calculator, I go from -1, so it's going to art in steps of 1. So, that's fairly, any. Oh, inequalities? Oh, definition in this. Like, our graph in this is just equal, so you get one with it. Now, then you can't find inequalities. So, Aberness grows shiny small net 3, that's the solution. So, quite will the graph shiny small net 3, so to the goal on punches our array. So, we take from -1 array to share like ni small net 3, I guess, oh, Modulus Ceacht array. So, these branches are an inequality. So, you catch the target? Oh, nice, solve the equation. So x minus 3, so just Toshik minus 3 and shows to the goal V shape. Like 3. Quick is to lean a trasny quick. Can you now how with lean a trasny 3? Because there is a column at 3. How could kiss the heat? How with lean a trasny 3. So then you reckon goes a column quick, so could you graph y equals 5. 7.4. Was it a car chart once you get, or did you get car contract? Yeah. Alright, okay. Right. So I'm a free kiss over the dawn. So kiss the dawn, J test going, modulus to x minus 3, cosmla quick. I guess time sketch the shan. Now, reached Mientin Balala, the opposite, in the algebra here doing genuine sketch, or what is fossil. Because least test got the range of height too, be good in the graph. So, to Mr. Scullion in the algebra here do we. So, you to x minus 3 cosmla quick, no x minus 3 cosmla luja quick. I guess raised you to x cosmla art, I guess you to x cosmla luja da. So test hogs in this kind of graph where the luja da all the way to art. Okay, just instant KLD. Okay, because kind of yes solution now. So raised at this time sketch the graph. Tashi la luja just go connect that. So luja 3, luja da, luja heen, 0. You can shen heen da 3 keher quick she shart agus art. Inta handy mut a square charter of it. Now it raised shall go Nicola shun the x axis, never be below because modulus a ton go ni positive. So raised are the graph luja heen, luja da, luja 3 heen da 3 keher quick she shart art agus actually can just check in the one yella when you know. Okay. Now time set the graph. So the reached x minus 3 so the metasha than shen. So reach just goes as 3 retusha heen da 3 kaishal free to punctuation because it reached 45 degrees. V shaped graph and shen. I guess the reach goes as heen da 3 so it's true and shen. I shall free the punches in a second. So, Brett, tiny set the graph. Go Swiss quick and shin for you, cosmla quick. Because time leading Gita trust. So, we're just going to show you Gita some able to. the Gulawelu egg art is the Gulawelu egg Luigi dot. Agus sin de graph janta sinna so chuir se y codrum le chuig y codrum le x minus 3 sin de y sin de x agus sin de graph so to do bolún seo ag glúide dá agus to do bolú ag art. Okay. Agus sin janta le graph sin janta le algebra an seo. Okay, listen. Into straightforward. Now, your free art graph and you funny the head question is just maths. So these just solve. So just your image 3 shart hinjig. Just mark it show 3 shart hinjig, 3 jig, quid jig, shart jig. Is it okay? Right, so what the intention is you square both sides, you to reach it on absolute value is you to reach it on square root and then just solve. So very straightforward. Just don't overthink it. Make it do rod jacker. It's actually not that difficult. Okay? Right, so my husband like history, I'm afraid you shall go wait to my dad to go in the bed. Right, so tashi like history with a 3. Okay, you to modulus the x plus 3 codrum la quick. So raise you to x plus 3 codrum quick, x codrum da, x plus 3 codrum luja quick, x codrum luja art. We should have kissed 3 jump. Connie Shamplia. Okay, kissed over the shart. You to 3x plus shart codrum quick. So raise you to 3x plus shart codrum quick, 3x codrum luja da. X codrum luja dá skin 3 agus you to 3x plus shart codrum luja quick 3x codrum luja dá yig x codrum luja ceir. We should have figured when you should. Yes? And then you okay listen? See? Okay? Yeah, press straightforward. Cast over the hin jig. You to modulus the x minus 3 codrum dá x. Modulus the dá x. So reach out back when you kiss the hin jig and shin. Out back are Dutch properties. Modulus the x codrum modulus the y, so therefore the x codrum y or the x codrum minus y. So raise markers are shin. So shot the x, shot the y. So raise you to x luja 3 codrum dá x. No, the x luja 3 codrum luja dá x. So you can see shin. So property number 2. So raise to the x trasnig gt went you to luja 3 codrum la x or x codrum la luja 3. Now conscion shot to the y you to 3x codrum la 3 x codrum la x codrum la here. Okay. Right, so raise upper balle 3 jig, quid jig, agus shart jig. Upper balle 3 jig, quid jig, agus shart jig, when you number balle at the top.